Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your region on Facebook using your PC with the new update. This is a great way to enhance your privacy and control what information you share with others. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to go directly to your profile page, where all your personal information is displayed. Once you're on your profile page, you'll want to access the About section. This is where Facebook stores all of your basic personal information, including your region. It's typically located under your cover photo, but the exact placement can vary slightly depending on Facebook's layout updates. In the About section, find the Places Lived category. Here, you'll see a list of the places you've added to your profile, including your current region. Next to your region, you'll notice an audience icon. This icon indicates who can see your region information. Click on this audience icon to change your privacy settings for your region. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options for who can see your region. To hide your region, select Only Me from the drop-down menu. This ensures that only you can see your region on your profile. No one else, including your friends, will be able to see it. After selecting Only Me, click Done to save your changes. Facebook will automatically update your privacy settings, and your region will now be hidden from everyone except you, and that's it. You've successfully hidden your region on Facebook. This simple step can significantly improve your privacy and give you more control over your personal information. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating Facebook. Thanks for watching.